With GNS Fitness, we provide a really high quality, affordable personal training and class environment.
We offer group PT along with a wide variety of classes such as full body conditioning, boxercise, Pilates.
We strive to empower our community to make the best choices for their health. Our goal is to get you into the best shape of your life.
If you're willing to work hard in a fun environment and you're looking to achieve a really high level of fitness results, then we are the perfect fit for you here at GNS Fitness.